Ever since the Samsung Galaxy S24 series was released, there has been a lot of dissatisfaction among new owners regarding the vivid display mode. Unlike previous models, users have noticed that the colors are not as vibrant as before. This display mode, which has been a staple on Samsung phones for years, allows users to enhance the colors for a more eye-catching effect rather than a realistic and natural look. However, this issue is not the only display problem that S24 users are facing now. As we already know, a few years ago, the Galaxy S20 series introduced the infamous green line display problem, which was also observed on other Samsung models, as well as devices from OnePlus and Realme. Now, 4 years after the release of the S20 series, a similar issue seems to have emerged with Samsung's latest flagship phone, the Galaxy S24 Ultra. Some users of the S24 Ultra have reported seeing a thin green line running vertically down their phone's display. In some cases, this bug is accompanied by a thin white line running horizontally across the screen. Numerous complaints have been posted on the Samsung Community Forum, where users expressed their frustration about the vertical green stripe and horizontal white stripe appearing on their Galaxy S24 Ultra. These lines have been observed while watching YouTube videos and even on the boot screen. Despite attempts such as reboots and factory resets, the issue remains unresolved, mirroring similar cases with other models. The user reached out to Samsung Care seeking assistance for a manufacturing defect in their device. However, despite acknowledging the issue, Samsung refused to exchange the device for a new one. Instead, they insisted on the user returning the unit and repurchasing it, causing the user to lose out on any pre-order discounts they had received. Frustrated, Samsung directed the phone owner to file a complaint with T-Mobile. The problem lies in the fact that the phone was purchased on Samsung.com and is carrier-locked to T-Mobile. Samsung argued that since the phone is financed through T-Mobile, it is the carrier's responsibility. However, if the manufacturer's limited warranty covers this issue, then it falls under Samsung's responsibility. If the device owner's claims are true and nothing was done to void the warranty, then Samsung should take responsibility. In both cases, the owners have faced difficulties in obtaining replacements or refunds from the carrier stores where they purchased the devices. It remains uncertain whether this issue will affect a larger number of Galaxy S24 Ultra units, or if it is limited to a small batch with manufacturing defects. Samsung devices have developed a notorious reputation for experiencing this specific problem, which is bound to make fans uneasy. While it's important to acknowledge that the reported cases may not represent widespread production issues, it is still necessary for Samsung to investigate further. Surprisingly, the company has yet to make an official statement on the matter, leaving many users feeling anxious about the device's overall quality and the responsiveness of their customer service. It's worth noting that the green stripe issue could potentially be resolved through a software update in the future. However, the lack of immediate response from Samsung regarding both the problem itself and user concerns is worrisome for early adopters of the Galaxy S24 Ultra smartphone. As the situation unfolds, it will be crucial for Samsung to address these concerns openly and promptly. They should thoroughly investigate the cause of the green stripe, offer timely solutions to affected users, and provide clear communication regarding potential software fixes or hardware replacements. This will be essential in maintaining consumer confidence in the Galaxy S24 Ultra. Currently, the issue seems to be limited to certain units of the S24 Ultra sold by US carriers. If you purchased your phone directly from Samsung, it's likely that you won't have to worry about this problem. So, if you've already bought a new S24 device, are you also experiencing the same issue? Share your experience in the comments section below, and don't forget to stay tuned for more updates on our channel. See you all in the next one. Peace out.